How to buy Kindle books on Amazon. Hey everybody, if you'd like to purchase Kindle book on Amazon, you may follow up these steps. So open up the Amazon shopping application on your device, or you can even head over to the browser of Amazon and log in into your account. Now you can from here basically navigate to the Kindle store, which is Kindle books. So you can basically use the search at the top and search for Kindle and hit search. And when you do, you will be finding all of the results available. So if you like to add up Kindle books, you can basically search for this specific books as well. Let me just go ahead and search for that. And there are different books available for Kindle. So you may just find the book that you want to purchase or browse the store to discover new titles. For example, if I would like to purchase this book right here, you may basically tap on the book once you find it, and then you can basically scroll through the options and look out for buy now option or something like that. So you can basically look out for that option if available. After that is done, select the device or app like Kindle for PC or Kindle app on your phone where you want the book to be delivered, and then follow the on-screen instructions in order to involve selecting a payment method. And after the purchase is complete, the book will be available to your library on the chosen device and the application. And that's it. So therefore, if you'd also like to buy books, Kindle books on your Amazon, you may follow up these steps. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.